With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is how many moles of KMnO4 are needed to oxidize a mixture of 1 mole of ferrous sulfate and ferrous oxalate in the acidic medium. So we have to calculate out of the 4 options which one is correct. Now for solving this question, let's first start with the reaction of KMnO4 along with the ferrous oxalate. If we see this reaction, what is happening here? Then the MnO4 minus is getting changed into Mn2 plus state, that is manganese is changing state, oxidation state from +7 to +2 here. So you can say that overall change in the oxidation state here is of +5 units. Okay. Now if we consider about the ferrous oxalate here, what is happening in case of ferrous oxalate? Here the iron is getting oxidized from the Fe. Here you can see that in KMnO4 it is acting as an oxidizing agent, so it is reducing itself. Okay, so Mn is getting reduced from +7 to +2 oxidation state. And in case of ferrous oxalate, what is happening? Fe is changing from +2 to +3 oxidation state. Okay, and it is getting changed and it is oxidized. So there would be change of, you can say, 1 unit. Okay. Now, here the oxalate ion is also getting oxidized like this. C2O4, 2 minus is getting oxidized into 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. So, for balancing this term, we would be requiring 2 electrons to add here. So, you can say that there is overall change of 2 electrons here. So, overall, in case of ferrous oxalate, there would be change of +3 units, isn't it? Now, see the third case, that is the ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is also getting oxidized due to the KMnO4. Here also the Fe2 plus is getting changed into Fe3 plus. You can see here also the change of oxidation state is of +1. Okay, so we can summarize here that the 3 components of the reaction mixture, that is KMnO4, then we are talking about the ferrous oxalate, that is C2O4, then of ferrous sulfate. Okay, so KMnO4 is undergoing +5 unit change, then ferrous oxalate +3, then for ferrous sulfate there is +1. Now, if we want to calculate the number of moles of KMnO4 used for neutralizing or reacting with the ferrous oxalate and ferrous sulfate, how we can calculate it? Like this. Equivalence of 4 would be equal to equivalence of ferrous oxalate, that is FeC2O4, and equivalence of ferrous sulfate. So we can calculate its value like this, as we have to find out the moles of KMnO4, so putting it as the variable x, and 5 is the change in units. 1 mole of ferrous oxalate is taken and 1 unit change. Then 1 mole of ferrous sulfate with the change in the unit of, this was for ferrous oxalate 3 and for ferrous sulfate it is 1 here. So by solving this term, we get the value of x, that is 4/5 moles. So you can say that this is our final answer, and we can say that moles of KMnO4 required would be 4/5 mole for neutralizing 1 mole of ferrous sulfate and ferrous oxalate. Now let's see at the 4 options which option is the correct one. That is, it is the first one, that is 4/5 here. This is our correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.